Hi guys, myself Sumit Lodha, again that's from Learn with Lodhas, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to apply for a new TAN, that is Tax Deduction and Collection Account Number. This number is required when you are liable to deduct TDS and when you need to deduct TDS on any payments made by you to somebody else. Generally, the companies, firms, these all are the SSCs who need to deduct TDS, but sometimes if you are an individual or a HUF and you are required to get your accounts audited under section 44AB, then also you need to deduct TDS on few payments like interest, payment to contractors, payment of rent, and there are different provisions like under section 94C, 94I, 94J, 94H. There are different provisions. So on the basis of those provisions, you need to deduct TDS and then remit that amount to the income tax department, and particularly you need to submit the TDS return and issue the TDS certificate also. For doing all these things, you need to have one TDS deduction and collection account number. In this tutorial, let's go ahead and see the live process of applying for a TAN. Here I am on the website of tin-nsdl.com. Here's the TAN option. Click on this and click on apply online. Apply for a new TAN. Here are some of the instructions. F49B is the format, like for TAN number it's 49A is form, and apart from this, one acknowledgement will be generated. Its 14-digit acknowledgement number will appear, and that one need to save and take a printout and sign it. Payment of fees is 62 rupees including service tax. 55 rupees is application charges. 12.36% is service tax thereon. Payment you can make directly through a demand draft, through a check, a credit card, debit card, or net banking. Demand draft should be in the favor of NSDL-TIN, and the name of the applicant acknowledgement number you should write on the reverse side of the demand draft, etc. Should be payable at Mumbai. Apart from this, this is more important, if you are paying credit card through debit card, net banking, then if you are applying a TAN for a company branch division, then any director of the company means whose credit card or debit card net banking system you can use, any director of the company. Okay. In case of individual like me, I have one sole proprietorship firm, a branch of an individual business. In that case, my credit card, my debit card, or my net banking account can be used. In case of HUF, it's of Karta. In case of firm, branch of firm, it's any partner of the firm, and in case of AOP, BOI, and artificial juridical person, it is authorized signatory. So moving ahead, this is the address wherein you have to send the acknowledgement once you have filled it and took the printout. Again, here is the category of deductor. For example, in this tutorial, let's cover how to apply for a TAN for an individual or HUF. Generally, this TAN will be applied by an individual only in the cases when he is required to get his accounts audited, because according to these provisions, normal individual like you and me whose accounts are not required to be audited is not liable for TDS deduction. Okay, so click on individual HUF. Click on select. Now the important thing, assessing officer code, TDS, TCS code. Again, similar thing which we have seen in this TAN application. So if you don't know your details, click here. Now click on the city, Mumbai. There are these different TAN wards. Okay, wards oblique circle. Different jurisdictions are available. So which one is applicable to you, just select it. For example, my name is SU Sumit, so it will be under this SI to SZ. Okay, it will cover under this. So select this and click on submit. This will automatically fill all these four columns like area code, AO type, range code, AO number. This is basically the jurisdiction officer to whom I am applying for a TAN, who will issue the TAN to me. Okay. Moving ahead to this, this is the some in case of central government and all. It's a state statutory autonomous body. If it is company, it's branch division of company. All details to be filled in, but since I am applying for an individual, all details have been hidden by the system automatically. Now moving ahead, individual achieve family karta. I am an individual. My title is Sri. Last name, let us say my last name is Lodha. First name Sumit. And moving ahead to the now address. Address I am filling. It's flat number 134. Okay, DN Nagar. Okay, Juhu, Tara Road, State, it's town Mumbai, State Maharashtra. Like you need to select your address, fill in this address. Okay. Now it's your telephone number. You can fill in here. 822-2217-1554 or even 229. Okay. And email IDs. My email ID is learnwithlodhas@gmail.com. Nationality of deductor is Indian. I'm an Indian. Now permanent account number. It's not a compulsory field, so I am skipping it. If you wish to type it, you just put your PAN number over here. Existing TDS deduction account number. If you have already purchasing any TAN number, just fill in the number over here, and if you have the TCS number, then you fill your TCS number over here. Earlier there used to be two different numbers for this TCS and deduction is TDS, but nowadays one number is applicable for both the TDS and TCS. Now I will your name in the capacity as an individual. Now verified today's date is 12th of June 2014 at it already mentioned Mumbai. Now we have demand draft. If you are paying through demand draft, then just write the details regarding the demand draft. Okay, like I will mention demand draft number like this. Date on which I have made the demand draft is 11th of June 2014. Okay. Now what you can do is, if you wish if you have issued the check, then you select the check number. If you have paying through demand draft, then select this tab. If you wish to pay through your credit card, select this checkbox, and otherwise if you wish to pay through net banking, click on this. Since I have made the demand draft, so I will show you how to do this through demand draft. It's all the same. Only in case of demand draft, the demand draft number, date is to be mentioned. In case of check number and date is to be mentioned, and drawn no bank and deposited HDFC, which branch. Okay, it's to be deposited only in the HDFC account. And the credit card, debit card, just select this. This will take you to this our payment mechanism. Now next net banking. Again it will do through one payment mechanism. Okay, click on submit. It will show you any errors are there. Please rectify errors marked in red. Which one is okay? Bank account, bank name I have not mentioned over here. State Bank of India. Okay, now click on submit. Still there are some errors saying what is that? You see to it. Okay, PIN number I have not entered. So ensure you mention your PIN number as well. Now click on submit. This time it should happen. Okay. Yeah, it's already confirmed. Let us confirm the details which are appearing over here. Whatever details coming over here, just verify it and type this password. Verify JCBS and confirm. If you wish to edit anything, just click on edit and then go ahead. This is the acknowledgement of TAN application. Right onto your computer screen. As a category, as an end user, I have submitted. My address is this, my telephone number is this, and my email ID is this. What I need to do, just take a printout of this acknowledgement. Take a print and then just have one signature over here. Attach the demand draft and send it to this address which is coming directly on the website. I will show you what was the address. Let me do it one more time. Apply online. On this step, once you will click this, and again there are some instructions you can just see. If you wish to track this application status, this is the acknowledgement number. Through this you can track the status, and you just attach that demand draft along with this, and take one envelope and superscribe that envelope that this is the application for a new application for a TAN. And then write your acknowledgement number like this in this format. Okay, 8830. It is the, just for example, it is the actual one, 88301011820615. Just write there and send it to the Pune address. I will show you the address again, wherein you need to send your. What you can do, I will just open another tab so that here is the address. Click on TAN and click on apply online, apply for a new TAN, and here is the address. NSDL E-Governance Infrastructure Limited, 5th floor, Mantri, Stalling, plot number 341, survey number 997-/8, Modern Colony, near the Bangalore Chowk, Pune 411016. What you need to do, just take this, take one printout of what we have just submitted as an acknowledgement submitted. We have see this. Okay, and send that to this particular address and superscribe the envelope again. I'm telling you this application TAN and your acknowledgement number. So hopefully this tutorial is one of its kind, and I think it's first time anybody is making a live tutorial on YouTube on application for a TAN. If you wish to make application for TAN for yourself or any of friends, this tutorial might help you. Apart from this, in this tutorial I have made you learn how to apply TAN for an individual. If you wish to apply for a company, for central government, state government, or a branch division of a company, or for association person, anything, you can just go ahead and select the different option over here. I will try to make a few more tutorials, like on company I will make it, and for one I will make for a partnership firm or a body of individual. So hopefully this tutorial makes sense for all of you. If you like this tutorial, just come on and subscribe us on our YouTube channel, that is www.youtube.com/learnwithlodas, whose subscribe button is just coming over here. If you like this tutorial, just come on our Facebook page, that is www.facebook.com/learnwithlodas, wherein you can post your all queries relating to income tax, accounting, service tax, VAT, or anything which call a knowledge or subject relating to finance. So until next time, me Sumit Loda signing off for the day. Thank you very much.